friends! This is KiddyXYZ. Learn, play, and smile. Hi, friends! Let's learn A to Z with fun.
A is for apple. Apples are yummy and good for you. B is for balloon. Balloons float and make us smile. C is for castle. Castles are fun to build. D is for dance. Dancing makes our bodies happy. E is for elephant. Elephants have big, strong trunks.
F is for flower. Flowers smell sweet and look pretty.
G is for guitar. Playing music is fun.
H is for hat. Hats keep us cool in the sun.
I is for ice cream. Cold treats are tasty and fun.
J is for jump. Jumping keeps us fit. K is for kite. Kites fly high like birds. L is for lion. Lions are strong and brave. M is for moon. The moon lights up the night. N is for nest. Birds build nests for their babies. O is for ocean. Oceans have lots of amazing creatures. P is for playground. Playgrounds are fun places to play. Q is for quilt. Quilts keep us warm and cozy.
R is for rainbow. Rainbows are colorful and bright.
S is for sandbox. Sand is soft and fun to play with. T is for train. Trains take us on fun adventures. U is for umbrella. Umbrellas keep us dry and happy.
V is for vegetable. Vegetables help us grow strong.
W is for waterfall. Waterfalls are cool and refreshing. X is for xylophone. Music makes us happy.
Y is for yo-yo. Yo-yos go up and down.
Z is for zoo. Zoos have lots of amazing animals.
Thanks, friends. Like, share, and subscribe.